Hi, I'm Matthew Sauer. I am the SLI Product Manager for Canadian Energy. And just going to give you a quick tip on battery maintenance or preemptive maintenance. It's going to be between years 3 and 5 when your battery fails naturally. Obviously, there's going to be the odd case where you'll have a short circuit or something and that your battery does actually fail. But the biggest tip I would have for anybody, if you're getting your oil changed, I know that at some of the places that do that will automatically do a battery test. They're using an electronic tester, and sometimes the people who are doing the test, instead of connecting the lead ends to the battery terminals, which are going to be the lead terminal, they'll connect to either to the bolt or the stud. And what that does is it actually gives a false reading, and it'll come back up typically as your battery needs to be replaced. So if you ever come across that, just make sure to ask them, did you test on my battery terminals or did you test on the cable ends? And if they said they tested on the cable ends, get them to retest on the battery terminals just to see if you get a better reading. Chances are it'll probably end up being okay. The best time of year actually to test your battery or to be preemptive with it is going to be right before fall comes, right before that first cold snap. So every fall or right before fall, go into either a mechanic or Canadian Energy branch location and just ask them to test your battery. It takes about 5 minutes, and it's just that little bit of assurance knowing that your battery will last through winter. So yeah, if you need to find a Canadian Energy location or one of our thousands of distributors across the country, go to cdenergy.com.